How to turn on or off screen time in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on screen time. After clicking on screen time, then scroll down and here you can see the option turn off app and website activity. Now click it and then click on turn off and website activity. Now click on content and privacy restrictions. If you turn this button on, then turn it off and then go back and then click on communication safety and then click on continue and then turn it off. Now go back and communication limit, make sure you can set it everyone. After that, go back and then click on screen distance, click on continue, and if you turn it on, then turn it off. After doing these steps, your screen time will turn off. And if you want to turn off your screen time, then simply again turn on these buttons and then click on apps and website activity and then turn on apps and website activity. So this is the way to turn on or off screen time in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.